Hello, I am K.S. Rao, your Sudoku friend. Of course, you know me well. Well, the puzzle you see behind me is not new to you. It was shown to you like a few days ago, maybe 3 days or 4 days, through a short video. And I did ask all of you people to solve it and wait for this video. Of course, a number of people have solved and they have also reported. So many comments are there. I am very glad about it. This looks a very tough puzzle, but see, once our few tricks or one or two tricks are applied, it becomes an easy puzzle. It is such an easy puzzle that I am feeling nervous now to approach it. Okay, doesn't matter, let us do it. So, please follow the tricks, and the important thing is you must know when and how to apply those tricks. That's important. So now let's go there now. Okay. So here is our challenger puzzle. Let us start with a difference, not our usual style. Okay. Now, okay, looking at this top horizontal strip, we see in this box only 3 vacancies are there. So what are those 3 vacancies for? Let us see. That is for 4, 6 and 9. We have a 6 here. So let us write 4 and 9 here. 4 and 9. And no 4, no 6, no 9. So all 3 numbers in these 2 cells. Let us write them. Okay. 4, 6, 9. 4, 6, 9. Okay. Now nothing else happens. As I explained to you earlier, you would observe also that no number can be fixed straight away by using all our methods and tools. So nothing can be found in the strips, boxes, or even columns or rows. Okay. Now we shall solve in an easy fashion. Okay. Now, after that, nothing else happens. That strip I know and you also know it. Let us come here to this strip. Here also nothing happens, but we can have it employ our tricks here. Look at this row E. Here we have got 4 numbers already. We require 5 numbers, that is 1, 2, 5, 8 and 9. Here this place is for number 9 very clearly. That is our blue line trick. Out of 1, 2, 5, 8 and 9, 1, 2, 5, 8 are all found, not permitting those numbers to be written here. So 9 is the only number which is eligible to be written here. This is our first major trick, and that is the blue line trick. Okay. Okay, then next, further, look at the same row once again. Now we require 4 numbers to complete. That is 1, 2, 5 and 8. We have 1 here, 5 here, 8 here. That means this is the place for 2. It's the place for 2. Let's write that. Okay. And now look at the same box. This D1. We require 1 is there, 2 is there, 3 is there, 4 is there, 5 is there, 6 is not there, 7 is there, 8 is there, and 9 is here. And this box, therefore, 6 is the royal number which comes here. Okay. And now we shall see what we can do for these 2 cells in this box. Clearly for 3 and 4, we don't have cross checks, so let us make a pair of them and write as 3 and 4. Now let us leave a strip. Come here, this row G. See, we have 4 numbers there. 1 is there, 2. We have a 2 here, you cannot repeat here. We have a 2 there, you cannot repeat here. You have a 2 here, you cannot repeat here. You have another 2 above there, you cannot repeat here. That means in row G, the only place for number 2 is this. Okay, let us write that 2 there. This is also our next blue line trick. Okay, and now look at this column. Look at this column. We have 1 there, 2 there, 3 there. Okay, 4 here, 4 here, 4 2 places, 5. No chance, but 6, have a look at 6. We have a 6 here, you have a 6 there. That means in this column, the only place for number 6 is here. Okay, let us look at this column. You see, you have a 6 here, you cannot repeat 6 here. You have a 6 here, you cannot repeat here. That means this is the place for number 6. Okay, and now look at this box. In this box, this number 8 releases number 8 here and also number 8 there. Okay, because this 8 covers these 2 cells in row G, so we can write an 8 there. That's it. And this same 8 covers these 3 cells. Therefore, we can write our next 8 here. Okay. Okay. Now, what about these 3 cells in this box? Let's have a look. We require 1, 5 and 9. 1, 5 and 9. We have 1 there. So, let us write them. 5 and 9 here. No 1, no 5, no 9 above. So, 1, 5 and 9 here. We have a 5 there. So, 1 and 9 here. Okay. Now, what about this row J? Can we do something? We need a 2, a 3 and a 7. A 2, 3 and 7. We have a 3 there and 7 here. That means this is a place for 2. Hope I am clear. Okay. Now these 2 cells in this row are for 3 and 7. Let us make a pair because I don't see any cross checks there. And when I don't see, you also don't see, I know it. So 3 and 7 here. And 3 and 7 here also. Okay, now what shall we do? Look at this box. We have 1 there, we have a 2 there and a 2 there. That means this is the place for 2 in this box. Okay, I said 2. And what about these 3? We require 3, 7 and 9 here for these 2 cells. We don't have cross checks. So we can write all 3 7 numbers there. Okay, 3, 7, 9. We can delete them afterwards. No worry. Okay, now look at this box. Okay, we have 1 there, 2 there, 3. Just 1 set occurs. Okay, 4 is there, 5 here, 5 there. No problem, no chance. 6 is there, 7, just 1 7 is there. 8. Have a look. 8 being here, it has in this box, it has to take this place or this place only. That means look above. See, you have an 8 here. You have an 8 here, these 2 cells. That means, and you have another 8 there. That means in this box, this is the place for 8. I'm sure you are following me. 8. Okay. And now, and let's complete this box. 9. No chance. Okay, leave it. Now, what shall we do? Now, what about let's have a look at this row F. If anything can be done, sure we can do it. Number 6 is there. You cannot repeat here. This Oh, no, no, we have finished number 6. Okay, sorry. We need 7, 8 and 9. Oh, sorry. 7, 8 are in the same column. Therefore, this is a place for 9. Okay. So, these two are for 7 and 8. So, we fill up now. Let's leave it now. Okay. Now, this 9 deletes those two 9s there. So, let us delete those two 9s first and confirm the 9 here. That's nice. That 9 will release 5 here. This is 5. And what about the lone cell in this column? It is 1 is there, 2 is there, 3 is there, 4 is missing. So this is a place for a 4. Okay. And now this 9 will further delete this 9 also here. That 9 goes, and because of this 5 we can confirm 1 here. This is a 1 and this is a 9 here. Okay, now what about these two cells in this column number 5? Can we do something? We have a pair of 4 and 6. We require 2 and what? 5. 2 and 5. We have these 2 here. Therefore, let us write our 5 here and 2 there. Okay. Now, can we do something about these 3 cells in this column? We need a 1. 1 there and 1 there. This is the place for 1. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 are required. You have the 8 there. So, let us write our 8 here. And 7 there, that box is complete. And this strip also is complete, but for this pair of 4 and 6, our first pair. Okay, it was our first tray, I'm sorry. Okay, this is the first pair. Okay, now let's have a look at this row F. Has got only one vacancy now, taking into consideration this pair. Okay, what is the number here required? It is clearly number 7. Yeah. That 7 will delete this 7 here. Still you have the tray over there. Okay, no issue. Now we know 8 can be here or here, but now we got this 7 here. Therefore, this is the place for number 8 naturally. And what about these 3 cells now? Can we do something? We require 3, 5 and 9. We have a 5 there, we have a 5 here. Therefore, we write a 5 here. And these two places are for 3 and 9. We don't have a cross check of 3 or 9 now. Okay, let's look at this box. We can do anything now. Or 3, I'm looking at this column. 3, 7 and 9 are required. 7 here. 3 there, no, okay. What about this column? We require 3, 4 and 9. 3 there, okay, leave it, okay. Now, let's have a fresh look at this box. Okay, 1 here, 1 there, 2, 3 here, 3 here and 3 here. So this is the place for 3. I was almost missing it. Okay, this 3 enables us to confirm number 9 here. 9 there. And this 9 get deleted. We have a pair of 3 and 7 here. We have another pair of 3 and 7 here in this row also. Okay. Now, let us look at this box further. 1 we've seen, 2, 3 we've seen. What about 4? We have a 4 here, we have a 4 there. So this is the place for a 4. Also there is a last number required for this column. Okay. Now 1, 7 and 9 are required. 9 and 7 the same row. Our 2 by 3 trick. This is the place for 1. And 7 and 9 here. Okay. Let them be there now. Okay. Now does anything happen here? We require 3 and 9, not yet, okay. Now let us come back here. No, we have not seen this box at all. Let's have a look now. Okay. 1 here, 1 here. So we can write our number 1 there. 1, 2, 3 are done there. Okay. 4. 4 places 4. Okay. 5. 5 there and 5 here. 2 places 5. 6. 6 here, 6 here. Okay. These 2 places for 6. Okay. 7. 7 here and 7 here. These 2 places for 6 and 7. Shall we make a pair? Okay, let's do it. Okay. See, look at this. 6 and 7 here. 6 and 7 in this row C. Okay. So these 2 cells are for 6 and 7. Okay. Now this 6 in this pair gets deleted here. You get a 4 there. And just above, it's a 6. So original trio has been completely dissolved. Okay. And now we have only one vacancy in row B. That is clearly for number 9. Okay. Now what about these 3 cells? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 8 are required. We have this 4 and 5 in the same column. Therefore, this is a place for 8. Okay. Now, the last number for this column is number 1. Okay. Oh, I am seeing a mistake here. This 7 here. Why did we write 7 there? The pair. Well, that's a 3. Okay. Sorry for this mistake. And this becomes a 7. That's a 7. Okay. And now we have one number in this column, no, 2 in each column. Okay, let us still have a look. We require for this column number 9, we require 7 and 9. We have this 7 here, therefore we can get a 7 there, and 9 here. And this box has got only one vacancy, that is for number 9. And this box is now having only one vacancy, that's for number 3. Okay. And now, let me look at this row C now. We require 4 and 5. We don't have cross checks. Okay, this box we not examined for a long time. Here, let us look at the rows. In this row H, only one vacancy is there. It is for number 3 clearly. Got a 7 there. So this is a place for a 3. And look at this row G. We have 2 vacancies, that is for 7 and 9. You have that 9 above there. So let us write a 7 here. And 9 there. Okay. What about these 2 vacancies? I'm sure we can fill these also. We require 5 and 6. Not now. No 5, no 6. Let's wait a minute or so. Okay. But this 7 will reach number 6 there. That's a number 6. And next door, it's a 7. 7. Okay. Now, that 6 cannot be repeated here. So this is the only place for 6 in this box. That's 6. And here, the last vacancy for this box is for number 5. Number 5 here. Okay. And then, what about these 2 cells in box number 1? But then before that, this 3 will enable us to disband this pair. Therefore, let us write confirm number 4 here and 3 here. And we come to last 2 cells for this puzzle. That is 4 and 5 here for C2 and C3. We have a 4 here. Therefore, let us write our 4 here and 5 here. Okay. So, my friends, we have completed this puzzle, I think, quite comfortably by using our special tricks like this odd, no, sorry, the blue line trick here, here, and here, and finding these two, and then it was an easy game. And one thing I have to regret: this trio did not have been written there. This 7 would have given this release is 7 here, and the solving process would have taken a different route. It doesn't matter. Okay, now we have seen another fashion of resolving these cells. Okay, that's fine. So I'm sure you have enjoyed this puzzle, this solution. So that's it for this evening. God bless you all.